Pure Heating and Cooling LLC brings the purest comfort to homes and businesses. Their mission is to keep environments perfectly balanced. With Pure, customers receive more than just service. They experience a breath of fresh air. The licensed and insured technicians at Pure are dedicated to maintaining air quality and comfort at the highest standards. In case of unexpected breakdowns, their 24/7 emergency service arrives like a clear blue sky after a storm. When it's time for new equipment, Pure helps customers make choices that are as pure and efficient as nature itself. At Pure, transparency and integrity are paramount. They offer upfront pricing with no hidden fees, just pure honesty and reliability, backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Stay comfortable, stay pure, and keep your home or business in perfect harmony with Pure Heating and Cooling LLC. Call 844-PURE-HC1 or visit www.pureheatcool.com today.